Okay, so today we have already decided on a name for her. Uh, Her name now is going to be Eris, and it means chaos, and she is chaotic. Right now, she's not chaotic. She just realized that we're actually working. Um, Her breeder actually did a really nice job with getting these guys super foodie, which is nice. She has a bit of a jumping problem. She likes to put her feet on people, which is fine, but it's not. We don't encourage that behavior. What I want her to do is to approach people and sit calmly, like she's doing now, which we will continue to reinforce. What we're going to do is we're going to teach her her name. The vast majority of dogs do not know their name, and the vast majority of people use dogs' names inappropriately. So she's already been conditioned that yes is a marker. That means reward is forthcoming. So we're going to do the same thing with her name, Eris. Eris. So she realizes that the power in her name is that something reinforcing happens. Conversely, where most people go wrong, Eris, is they use the dog's name as a conditioned punisher. When the dog's not responding, they start screaming the dog's name, and the dog's like, I'm confuzzled. Do you like me? Do you not like me? Why are you yelling my name? Like when we were kids, we all have three names: a first name, a middle name, and a last name. So when your mom yelled all three of those names, you knew that you were in deep trouble. And people have a tendency to do that to their dogs. Eris. Yes, very nice. So we don't want that. We have to be respectful of the power that we create when we reinforce the dog on its name. Eris. That becomes a conditioned marker, right? That tells the dog that what it did was something that we approve of. And it also teaches the dog that reinforcement can happen here. Hey, Eris. Yes, very nice. So I'm using the two interchangeably, Eris and yes. She's already been conditioned to yes. She knows that that means that something good is going to happen. Okay. What up, Buttercup? Eris. Very nice. So people who want to teach their dog to come to them and teach their dog the value of their name, this is how we do it. Eris. Yes. Nicely done. Very good. Okay, sweetheart. Now you can play with Aunt Pearl. You ready? There's nothing in that hand. Or that one. Right, you little monkey? Eris. Hey. Good. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry. No, here. There you go. And again, reinforcement only happens when you're near me. You're going to start wanting to come to me a lot faster and be a lot closer. What is that? What is it? Oh, we got birds. What a beautiful day. Good. Eris, here. Nicely done. Thank you, sweetheart. Yes, good girl. Eris, here. Nice. Very good. That was yummy, huh? Good puppy.